Good morning, students. Saira. In the last session, we have learned more on MS Word 2007. In that, we have completed the format painter, how to do superscript and subscript, and how to apply header and footer, and how to print the document. And we have learned a line spacing and preview the document using portrait and orientation. Okay, in this session, based on this, we will learn a lab activity. Can you see the lab activity? First of all, we will read the steps. In that down, can you see that picture? That is the output. Okay, so can you see there small output? So in the header and footer, we have to write. So ABC, right? Here they have given a school name with the help of header and footer. We have to type. Then can you see this? They have divided the screen into two parts. Okay, so screen is divided into two parts. In that first part, again with the help of tab, they have divided a three parts. Serial number, right, and can you see date, right, and the subject's name. That means the main thing is divided into first two parts, and that again they have divided into three parts. Okay, so we will start this, and afterwards we will use a format painter also, and we will replace the find and we will do the find and replace also. We will learn the, first of all we will read the instruction one by one, and we will start the lab activity. Okay, for that we will open MS Word. So how to open MS Word? All programs, Microsoft Office, right, and the Microsoft Office 2007. The first of all, set page margin as per your requirement using the ruler. Okay, so here we will start, and the second one, apply the page header as ABC Public School Dehradun. So margin, now how to put the margin? So in the page layout tab, can you see the margin? So you can take it the custom margin. We will take the top margin as 1 centimeter, and the bottom you can see 0.5, and left is 0.5 and the right is 0.5. Okay, you can change your margin, but here I will set the top is 1 centimeter, bottom is also 1 centimeter, and the left and right I will take a, okay, suppose for example I am increasing the, yes, and left and right, can you see the left and right margin I have increased. Now again I will decrease the left and left margin. Okay, so with the help of custom margins, okay, I have taken a 7.6. Now I will do a 0.5 centimeter. So that is enough for me. Okay, okay, we will start now. Left margin, first of all set the margin, and the second thing they have given there, apply page header as, okay, after the margin, can you see the margin? That is a ruler, right? That is a margin. We have set the margin. The second point, now apply the page header, okay, header as ABC Public School Dehradun. Okay, so we have to apply the page header. Where is the header now? Right, insert and header, edit header. This we have already learned, right? So here we will write ABC, okay, ABC Public School Dehradun. This we have, where we are going to write now, this is in the header. Okay, insert, click on the insert and header. Okay, that means in the every page you can see here ABC Public School Dehradun, right? That's why we are putting in the header part. Okay, so this is our heading. Now the next one, okay, next, now close it, close the header and footer from the right side. Okay, so this is our header footer. Now next, just we will read. So divide the page into two columns, set line spacing property of the page to double. Okay, then we will do, okay, now go to the page, in page layout, and can you see the, for here in the page setup group, column and the 2, we have taken a 2, right? We only, they will divide. So now can you see the ruler, right? They see here. Okay, the screen is divided into now how many parts? 2 parts. So left hand side, and can you see in between the blank space? Okay, there it is divided into 2 parts. Now here you can see the line spacing property of the page into double. Now we have to give the line spacing as double. It is by default always single, you know, all of you, right now. So we will make it double. How? Line spacing and 2. Double means 2 we will do. Okay. Okay. So now next, okay, now we will write the heading, okay, as date sheet. Write the heading as date sheet in the one column, and the second column, can you see here, general instructions. Alright, and that date sheet, make it bold, underline, and set the font size as 18. So here we will write date sheet. Okay, I will take as a capital only so that you can, right, you can see also, right, date sheet. Okay, and you will make, apply the, right, apply, select and make it 18. And here they have given, make it bold, that is a click on the font group B and the underline. Okay, now next, okay, then press the enter key. See, can you see the cursor, where the cursor now, because we have given double line spacing. Okay, so the now next step, now over, so now he can see the tab in the first column in the aligns. Now first column you have to write serial number, subject and date shown in the figure. You can see now screen 1, again that screen 1 is divided into 3. How will you divide? With the help of tab key. Yes children, it is very important. So take the tab for first there, set the tab, double click on that, 1 centimeter. Okay, then take the, again the one more tab you want to write, subject you want to write. So take that again one more tab, double click on that wherever you want, double click on that, then the 3 centimeter, right? Then again one more tab, that is a date we have to write. So that means this again we have, yes, in this first screen with the help of tab key we are dividing, right? So now again we will take a one more tab, double click on the ruler. When you are inserting, when you are putting a tab, when you are applying a tab, take the ruler and double click on that. Okay, then you will get a dialog box. Okay, now, okay, now press enter key, and that in that serial number, okay, in the tab key. Now see, when you press the tab key will move, right? So wherever you set the tab. So in that, now see, now the next here in the first column here, first one, write down the serial number. Okay, okay, we'll take little bit, we will underline and all we will remove from the underline and B. Okay, so now write down serial number there, and the second tab subject, and the third tab. So the first will write 1, 3 and, okay, 6.5. We will take another 6.5 now. Okay, okay children. Okay, now serial number, then use tab key. Okay, no need to use space bar and all, tab key, subject, again tab key and the date. Okay, now let's see, the cursor will not move to the next column. Can you see this? Okay, in serial number also I'll put it in the capital. Okay, and tab key. Okay, fine. Okay, now 3 columns we have made with the help of tab key. Now the cursor will not, now second, now see here, we will type as it is here, serial number 1. Okay, here use here superscript subscript for the date. So English and the date is 23rd April. So serial number 1, press enter key. When you press the enter key, the cursor will not move the second column, it will come to the now first column only, right? The serial number 1, and put the tab key here, write down the subject and again tab key, use only tab key, and the date 23rd. So 23rd, that RD should be in which? Superscript. How will you put the superscript? Select the text, that RD, right, and in the font group, can you see the superscript? Okay, this way you can do it, superscript, right? Remember children, superscript and subscript. So this is superscript. So below the, yes, Okay, the RD is above the text, right? Now second one, we will write now again what is there, maths. They have written maths and 24th April. Okay, see your lab activity and do it. Maths and, can you see there, maths and 24th April. Okay. Okay, and the some general instructions are written over there, but general instructions are where, in the second column. Okay, 24th April. Is it clear now? Now the general instruction, can you see after the data sheet, in that line general instructions has to write. Now cursor is in the where, in the first column. Now how will you put the cursor into a second the column? Okay, we will write the signs first and we will take the cursor. Okay, now 26th again, which date is what? 26th April. Okay, now this three datas we have entered. Now we want to move the cursor in the next column, that is the general instructions we have to write. How will you move the cursor? Okay, so general instruction, that is the instructions written are there, right? Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now how will you write? So now take the, here can you see here in the page layout tab, go to the, okay, now that is the second column, go to the page layout tab, and the page layout tab, okay, can you see this? Okay, breaks, right? Breaks are there. So column, so indicate that the following the column, okay, break will begin with the next column. So click on that. Once you click, can you see your cursor is where? In the next column. So there you write down general instructions. Okay, once you set the tab and divide it into column, it is easy to type. Can you see this general instructions? Now general instructions, the first one is, can you see now down, the cursor is down now. Exam timings will be 10:30, 9:30 to 12:30 p.m. It is written exam timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So now continue typing. Now here see how it looks now. No need to use tab key, everything. Once you set the tab and column, it is easy to type. Okay, yes children, understood now? Okay, first to divide the screen, then again use tab key and put again the different column, that is the serial number, subject and date. And how will you take the cursor into next one? Page setup and breaks. Now change the font size. If you want, you can change the font size, take little one. Okay, okay. Now the second one, the second, it is written number 2 now, right? Number 2, you must reach the examination hall 15 minutes before the exam starts. Now data sheet, now we will learn the format painter. See the underline we have taken. Okay, now here data sheet and general instructions we have taken as a underline with the help of font group. Then write down the second instruction, you must reach the examination hall 15 minutes before the exam starts. That is the second instruction. So like this they have given a 6 subjects name and date and some general instructions. Okay, here 15 minutes before the exam starts. Yes children, okay, now understood. I think hope so all of you understood. Now we have covered superscript also, we have done the line spacing also, right? And the font size we have taken, data sheet and general instruction is 18. Okay, now see we want to take the cursor down. How will you take? The same method in page layout and the breaks. In the breaks you will take again a column, that means the next column, previous column. Once you press, can you see this, the cursor will come down. Now home and do one thing, format with the help of format painter. Now select it, double click on the format painter and apply the general instructions also. You want to put the serial number also, just yes, multiple selection, yes, see multiple because you have used here format painter. Yes children, understood? Okay, now you want to take the cursor also, you can take in that particular column. Okay, now third, that this way you can continue. Now we will do find and replace. Okay, so here, okay, instead of maths, okay, we will put a different subject as Hindi we will take. Okay, so the fourth number we will take later. Okay, now we will take a find and replace. Okay, breaks, again column. Okay, okay, now cursor is that side, right? In that next column, next column. Yes, children, third one also we will write. Use fountain pen only. In your book it is given, use the break again, then the column. Okay, column. You want to continue now the fourth one in the left side. I want to write, okay, social study, that is a different one. Now can you see the cursor is here. Now you can continue. Okay, now children, you can continue now 4, 5, 6. Okay, and instruction also you can complete. Now we will find the find and replace. We will find the word maths and we will replace the Hindi. Okay, instead of maths we will put Hindi. How to replace? Here find and replace, and the home tab. Okay, in the home tab find and replace, right? Here you can see the find and replace, right? So find and replace, you can use the find and replace and the replace command, and so find what? Hindi. So we have written a wrong. Find what? It should be a maths. Hindi word is not there, but maths word is there, right? So find maths. So find maths and click on replace with what? Hindi. So what the computer will do? It will find a maths wherever the yes here and replace with Hindi. What is only one replacement? Yes, children, understood now? Okay. Okay. Yes. Hope so all of you understood. Okay. Try this activity in your computer. We will stop this session. Saira.